Our administrative office is diligent in forwarding emails to administrators and staff. Dr. Sandra Howell, Assistant Principal and Grant Writer, received the Helping Kids Urgent Need mini-grant email and promptly submitted the needed documentation.
Our schools surround students with a safe, nourishing environment, but after students leave our campuses, we are usually unable to impact the quality of their life experience. However, this mini-grant will enable us to assist 4 children that survived a tragic fire that killed their paraplegic grandfather. The children and their grandmother, struggling with grief, are also without basic necessities and the grandfather's income. This grant will restore balance for this traumatized family, providing comfort with clothing, personal hygiene items, and housing supplies.